Wednesday, April 11th. Make sure I give you your section review back to those who turned it in. If you haven't turned yours in yet, I'm encouraging you to do that. And then your video handouts will come back since we have a second portion of video to do today. Our unit outcomes around plant anatomy and classification of plants, photosynthesis, adaptations, biodiversity, reading and responding to text and video, and tests and in-class labs. Specifically today, making sure you're comfortable with leaf, stem, and root, that you're starting to identify classification groups of plants. When you hear words like vascular, non-vascular, seed or seedless, gymnosperm, angiosperm, start paying attention to those terms. Understanding why there's so much biodiversity in the plant kingdom, and give you an opportunity to take a few notes or answer some questions from video, and observe plant specimens in class, as well as get time to study. So some things you should know already based on what you've done are those characteristics of plants that you see on the screen. You can identify those parts of plants, and also the parts of a leaf that you're going to need a microscope to see. And that's why in the counter on the classroom there's a microscope set up. Today, breakdown, same format as we've had. There's some study time, there's some video time, there's some lab time. We'll end up starting with video time first, but making sure that when you leave, you know this, and you've met all the outcomes